everything back in. Who the hell would do that? Ugh. He did. I know, me either. I've never had any problems. I put decorations out every year.
Cough with me, Sam.